What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to NFP Friday. I'm ready to make some money today. I'm ready to full port. Nah, I ain't full porting, but I'm ready to make some money today. In the week, green. Had two good back-to-back trades. Yeah, let's get it, man. The market opened in about 3 minutes, 2 minutes basically. I know I wait till the 15 minutes, so just finna analyze some stuff real quick. I kind of already analyzed at the NFP. We had a big candle, so it's not really much to analyze. We don't know. I don't know what price is going to do today. We're just gonna see, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. To be honest, let me see. Let me see though. I could mark out the data highs. Let me see. I do mark out the liquidity in these areas. Oops. Yeah, we're gonna have a good day today, bro. We're gonna have a good into the week. I'm already up about 1,300 on the week. I just kind of wanna end it off good. Start the week off right. I've been debating on just not even trading today and just ending my week how it is. But I don't know. Part of me still want to trade, I know. But I kind of do want to just end my week off, to be honest. But I think we'll find something good today. I kind of like what I'm seeing. I mean, ES is all the way at all-time highs. NQ is trying to get there. It is still in this range, so I don't like that as much, but I'm pretty sure it'll get to where it needs to get soon. Okay, so NFP candle took out London lows. Let me turn this on. NFP took out London lows. NFP took out Asia lows and tested this gap. So now let me mark out this data low. It might get touched. That's all the liquidity I'm looking for today. So let's see. I think today I would love for the expansion wasn't too crazy. It's probably 100 points maybe. Yeah, probably about like 100 points or something. So I can see us coming back down, retesting maybe, testing this gap or something, and then heading up. But yeah, I'm risking down today for sure, and I'm just gonna be patient. I might not even trade. I might just call it a week, to be honest. But 'cause I just want to stay green this week. I don't want nothing. I mean, I'm confident in myself. I can find a good trade today though. But so we'll see. It just depends on what happens today. If we get good volume, I see something I like, I'll take it. But yeah. So anyway, let's see what's going on. Let's turn these off. And yeah, y'all still drop some videos y'all want me to react to in the comments. Cause I still want to figure out something to react to, something to post on like on the weekends, Saturdays or something. Something that's like more just fun, I guess. I don't know. Like training is cool. Like training is fun, I guess you could say. Well, it's boring, but it's cool to do. But I want to be able to be more fun on this channel, cause yeah, man, I feel like I've never been the type to just be boring. I ain't gonna lie, just simply trading and stuff. But so I would like to figure out something to react to on YouTube, and then I'll drop some reaction videos on the weekend. I do these live sessions, and then really I mainly just want to stay consistent. I want to keep posting. Like this daily posting is starting out. I'm liking it a lot. I like to daily post. Well, obviously on the weekend the market is closed, so I can't post nothing. So I wanna figure out something to where I can post on the weekend, at least one of the days on the weekend. So I might do reacting to something trading wise, trading niche. Speaking of other stuff though, did y'all see that last night? Y'all watched the Cowboys and Eagles game last night? That man, I can't believe he spit on this man. I'm more of an NBA dude. If I get his name, I think Jalen Carter is his name, I believe. I'm more of an NBA dude, so I know their names by heart. But NFL, I don't really know everybody. But that man, Jalen Carter spit on Dak Prescott, bruh. I would have been going crazy. He talking about, if you see this, I probably would have got ejected too for more than just spitting. Like, ain't no way, bro. You finna spit on me, bro. You ain't even started anything yet. Like, there wasn't a snap yet, and he spit on the man. That was just the craziest thing. It was crazy. Overall, straight little game though, but because of Micah being gone and then Jalen Carter getting ejected from the game, it's basically like the two best defenders on each of those teams. It was just no defense being played, really. I feel like everybody was just having their way. But I ain't gonna lie, I say that and I stopped watching the game. Matter of fact, I stopped watching it like around third quarter. I know like they had to stop the game for weather and some more stuff, but yeah, I stopped watching. But overall, it was a good first 3 quarters or whatever. It was a straight little game. I don't know. I feel like after price expands like this, it just starts consolidating. But I don't know. We'll see. Maybe like what it like on the 1 minute. It's really not that bad though. Like that's the candle. That's the 1 minute candle. I would have expected it to be a little wider. Like, I don't know. I think we get a good little setup today though. I think we get a good setup. But right now, it's looking a little funny. It's moving though. It's moving. Yes, it's like literally just consolidating though. But like I said, it's still early. It's only 5 minutes in. Once again, though, to God be the glory that I even know this skill. I ask that y'all stay prayed up. I just want to say thank God for every day. I don't think I ain't started this off with that. I just want y'all to know nothing happens without God. So y'all make sure y'all stay prayed up. Make sure y'all personal relationship with God is very, very strong. And read your word, man. And always wake up with a little gratitude. When you wake up, don't pick that phone up first, man. Just make sure you pray. Don't make that phone your idol. Make sure y'all pray. Make sure y'all get some sun or something. Drink you some tea. Stop drinking all that sugary juice. Oh my God, I struggle with that a little bit. I'm still a little bit struggling with juice and sugar. I'm starting to cut back though. I'm starting to try to drink more tea and more fruit and less chips and stuff like that. So I'm not liking this 15-minute candle on ES, man. This golly. Get us a little movement. NQ moving though. NQ moving for the most part. Let me see the 4 hour. Maybe he wants to. Oops. Well, I can see it on here too. I would assume price would want to come to equilibrium with this range though. Equilibrium of this range. Let me see. Would this be equilibrium? I'm guessing. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, for the most part, this is the range. Didn't never. Well, I guess it came back right here. So maybe just this the range, maybe. But yeah. See what price want to do though. NQ moving though, but ES is like, I think ES want to go up for sure. Excuse me. It's looking like ES really want to go up, but I'm thinking what's about to happen here is it's gonna create SMT to the upside. This candle's gonna create SMT with this candle, and it's gonna end up going up. SMT inside of this 15-minute gap right here, and I think it goes up. Like, let me see. I was just bouncing off of it right now. Yeah, I think it creates SMT right here. That's what I would assume would happen. I would assume this keeps coming down a little bit. SMT maybe come right here. SMT with ES, and then we go up. Or come back down, take out the data low. Take out that what's this, Asia low. I don't know though. We see. I honestly feel like these won't be hit today. But like I said, I don't know. It's already respecting this gap a little bit, but just kind of. But man, ES is just ugly, bro. Like ES is literally just going to the side. NQ is creating a lot of wicks, but at least it's moving for the most part. Now you got this little hammer. I think it's called a hammer or something. Then you got a doji. Then you got another kind of a doji with a big. And then you got this one, doji, whatever. Like, look at these candles. Like, these is 1 minute candles, bro. Like, this is kind of ugly right now. Yeah, I'm debating on what I'm finna do. I might, like I said, knock myself out and just call it a week. I might just call it a week. Then, if I lock myself out, I'll probably just tape read with y'all. I wonder what news looking like next week. I'm really finna look at that. I got a no news Monday, even though this is not how it may look right now. It might change, but no news Monday. Dang, no news Tuesday. Got PPI next week on Wednesday, 8:30. Oh my god, we got crazy news on Thursday next week. CPI, unemployment claims, core CPI, all that. Then on that Friday, it's got consumer sentiment, 10 a.m. Not bad, not bad. Not a bad week next week. Hopefully there's added red folders. I don't know what they would be, but Monday and Tuesday ain't got nothing, but that don't mean there won't be no setup. Apparently Trump's supposed to be speaking today at 4 p.m. Wonder what he got to say. Most likely it's a bunch of nothing, but that ain't my place to talk about here. Alright, this 15-minute candle is about to be established. Pretty sure we gonna stay in this range. We ain't going nowhere else. Maybe. So I would like for it to come back down. Like I would actually like another. Dang, why did my voice just do that? Why did my mouth pause? Hold up. I sound like that dude from Family Guy, that old man. But I would like for price to come down. Maybe have a little fake breakout or whatever, and then we hit another reverse like yesterday off of this gap maybe. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. 15-minute candle on ES is super small. Maybe it's because I'm stretched out. Pause again, bro. What am I talking about? Oh my goodness. I'm so bro. Oh goodness, bro. Okay, this is what I kind of want to see right here. I don't know. Now I think it's gonna be a fake out, but I don't know. We'll see. Just look at that, bro. ES is like I ain't even paying attention to ES. I might as well take that chart off of here. It's at all-time highs. That's probably why it's moving like this. And that's why I'm hesitant to short though. You don't want to short all-time highs usually. So at least that's what everybody's saying. People say don't short all-time highs. And this is my first time being at all-time highs and trading and stuff, so for the most part. In the past I probably was at all-time highs and didn't even notice it. It's like, yeah, that's breaking out, but it's like, bro, that's not even. That's super small. I haven't brushed my teeth. Oh my god, TikTok is loud, y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't even mean to open this in y'all ear like that. That was probably so loud. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for that, y'all. Part of me want to stay out today, man. Sorry if I got a little less energy today, y'all. I ain't really yapping as much as I usually would. Just gotta be careful on Fridays. They said I think the percentage of like blown accounts on Fridays is like super high. I guess because people be drowned out from looking at candlesticks all week. Maybe, I don't know, but I don't know. I'm just not liking this actually, bro. It's just so, I don't know. I feel like any trade I take could be premature just because the range is so small. At least, but I don't take it on ES no way. So, I guess it does not matter to me. What the 5 minute looking like? I might have to just wait for a 5 minute close above. I feel like price still just trying to figure out what they want to do, which is fine by me, I guess. Go and figure out what you want to do. Either way, I'm right, run me a tight stop today. Like ES, let's look at ES, bro. It's just literally just back and forth. It's literally barcode. Like wig. Basically barcode action, man. Ugh. I kind of wish it was a little more volume today, bro. This ain't giving me the volume I want to see. Boy, ES is a scalper's dream right now. It's just going from support to resistance right now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yes, I ain't over a fish, that's quick. Ain't no selling with a fish, that's it. Ain't no telling with it ends. Yeah, I know and I gotta hit. That's it, that shit gets sent over the fence. Look how I slid. Nah, I know what it is. Bro, this price action is just ugly, bro. It's just accumulating, man. Part of me want to lock myself out, but I'll wait till around 10:15. If I don't get nothing at like 10:50, well, I don't know. I'll give it to about 10:30. 10:30, just to see it like price start moving a little more, or after that NFP candle, it's just even if I do get something, it's just gonna be, I don't know. We'll see. Cause ES, it seems like ES is finally breaking out of that range. This gap 5 minute, right? This gap I put on here is 5 minute or 15 minute. Oops. That's 5 minute gap or 15 minute. Oh, it's 15 minute gap. Yeah. Something to the downside, I wouldn't take. If it's a breakout to the downside, I probably just won't take it. Simply because of the 15 minute gap. I'll have to wait and see what happens. And if I miss an entry, then it just is what it is. I'd much rather see it. I would much rather see it give me a reverse orb. I'll take a reverse orb, but other than that, like if it was to give me SMT, even though ES is falling, at first it seemed like ES was gonna be the one with more strength to the upside, but seeing here now, yeah, I already got SMT too. I think that one get at least broken. I think price at least wants to feel some of this feel some of this 15 minute gap for a fair value gap. I've been appreciating the love on the videos though, man, for sure. I've been thinking about changing my colors on here too. I want to stay with the black screen, but I don't know. In fact, my favorite color is green, so I don't know. I might just keep it the way it is. It's been working out for me. I don't know. I want to change the scenery. Might go purple. I think price just want to find its direction right now. It's trying to find its direction for the day. I gotta put some stuff on my walls. I got this whiteboard and the calendar. I need some art, man. I need some art on my walls. Need something back there. I don't want this room looking like an insane asylum. I mean, I got those up. I know y'all can't even see those, but I need some more stuff on my walls. Make it look a little better in here. I don't know, man. Price is super slow. September started off very, very well, though. I'm not mad at this September. Hopefully this 10 o'clock brings some volume in here. Usually 10 o'clock does so. So we got 10 o'clock in about 25 seconds. There goes that 10 o'clock. Put a little more volume in here. Seem like maybe. Yeah. What is it about 10 o'clock though, y'all? Y'all know, y'all know, put in the comments, what is it about 10 o'clock? I know that's when some news comes out sometimes, but other than that, like, on days where there's no news at 10, like, what is it about 10 o'clock that just brings some more value? Like, is that when the banks and stuff is getting in, or like what is it? Because I don't know. But if I was taking some ES, this would have been a gap I would like to see, and I would have took something off of this gap right here. Only reason I'm not taking it today is because of this 15-minute gap. Where's the 15-minute gap here on ES? So there's SMT now. Well, almost. Yeah, it is SMT now. So yeah, I would like to see. Let me see what it's looking like over here. Yeah, I think the upside is in play now. I don't know. We'll see. SMT is here though now. In this gap, that'd be a perfect. I just wouldn't like to take it. I guess if ES inverses clean, it would be nice. But I don't think I would. For me, I wouldn't want it to. I would want NQ to come down a little more, but I wouldn't want it to take out the the SMT, because it just gives me extra confidence back to the upside. But kind of like yesterday, y'all. So I don't know if it does decide to go up. As long as it gives me volume to the upside. Then I'll see what's up. But like, I don't know. I would want it to come down. I mean, it can take the S&T out, to be honest. I really don't care. It could if it wants to. And then maybe ES want to create S&T with the low. Maybe it want to take out this low. And then back to the upside it goes. And then I'll take like a reverse bouncing off this support, kind of like it did yesterday. So we'll see though. That would have been a good trade here though. Well, I don't like the size of this gap that it respected, but so I most likely wouldn't have taken this. But what the heck, man? I know, bro. Fruit flies and gnats, bro. I know. It's just one little gnat that be in my room, bro. And it's literally one, bro. And I can't. Bro, I just got him, y'all. I ain't embarrassed to say I got him. Like, I ain't embarrassed. Like, I gotta get this nigga, bro. I finally got him, bro. I'm looking at my head, bro. Why would you ever fly on a red nigga lip like that, bro? That's crazy. Man, he flew on my lip, bro. Like, what's up with dude? I finally got him though, bro. I've been trying to get dude for the past 3 days. He the only one though, cause ain't nothing else in here. I just vacuumed and cleaned up and all nice in here. I think he came in from the what's the name though? I be leaving my window open sometimes, let a little fresh air in here. I like keeping it dark though. I don't really like too much sunlight. But I finally got that dog on that, bro. He been flying in here for 3 days. Oh, nah, it's 2 of them, y'all. I think I just seen another one. Bro, what the heck are these nets coming from? Bro, what the heck? I just got him too. Alright now. I thought it was just one. Let another one come by. Now I'm a little flabbergasted. I feel like, alright, so I've been going against 2 of these motherfuckers. Alright. Where the heck they coming from, bro? Alright, let me focus up, bro. Let me focus, okay. S&T done got took out, like. Yeah, S&T is out of there. Okay. Which like I said, I don't really care if S&T get taken out. I wanted it to come down a little more and just try to respect this gap. That's crazy, bro. So it's really been 2 of them. It's probably a 3rd in here. Maybe they like the smell of candles. I don't know what it is. So it's breaking out, but I don't like the volume on it. I guess if it ends up breaking this I don't know, bro. I don't know what's gonna happen right now. Kinda iffy. That actually is crazy, bro. It's freaking 2 gnats in here. And I just, oh my goodness, I ain't even gonna say it. I gotta go wash my hands though. Oh, I'm still reclining anymore. Ooh. Oh yeah, can y'all still see me while I'm reclining? I think y'all can. No, let me see my ass up though. Let me see my butt up, bro. I ain't gonna recline. Acting like professional trader me wouldn't be reclining and trade. Actually I would. Actually I would. I ain't gonna lie. I would. I definitely would. Some days. Especially if I'm on vacation trading. I might be trading outside. That's what I cannot wait to do. I cannot wait to be able to be like in another country or somewhere and with a beautiful view, and I can just sit there and make $15,000, like $20,000, $30,000. I'm ready for times like that. But it's not giving me an entry right now, y'all. So like it's not giving me no volume to the downside. It's not giving me no gaps. So for the most part, I'm just staying patient. Like if it would have given me a gap or something, I probably still wouldn't have taken nothing though. I'm not gonna lie. So simply because, like I said, I don't want to. With this gap being here, I didn't want to take nothing. I still think the upside is in play today. I think NQ would like to be at all-time highs too. So yeah, I think NQ would like to be at all-time highs as well. So nothing for me just yet. I'm being patient. I think those data lows is in play though. I think that's the draw. It's kind of like super clear that that's the draw right now. If anything, I would like to see price come back up, do what it did yesterday, bounce off of here, make this into support. Right now it's resistance basically. Make this into some support and go back up. Or I would like to see it come up and maybe create SMT with like a little internal SMT with ES or something, and then go back down. But just look at the bodies of these candles. They already are super small. It's creating a lot of small body candles. So I'm just already knowing that it's weak to the downside in my opinion. It might be fighting to get down there, like it might be delivering down there, but I just don't think it's strong pressure to the downside right now. It's almost 10:15. I said I'll probably lock myself out at that time, but I don't know. I can see something playing out today. I can see something playing out. We'll see though. We stay patient. I want to start getting on TikTok, y'all. I need to start doing little recaps on TikTok. Either that or I can just do videos where I chop myself trading. And, you know, kind of like speed it up, I guess. I take quick trades that y'all can see. So it probably wouldn't be that quick. It wouldn't be no good video if that just probably be 15 minutes long or 15 seconds long. If I was to do a video and it's just me in a trade for like 4 minutes or something, so. And then y'all wouldn't actually see the trade. People like on TikTok, I feel like they like to see the trade. Y'all don't see the trade. Y'all just hear the order field. Like my top step screen is over here. Alright, so a little more volume to the downside right there. A little late for me though. That data low is definitely the clear draw though. Looking like a no trade day for me, y'all. We had a good breakout, just didn't give me no entry. And it's just gonna be days like that sometimes where it just doesn't go your way. So like there's no gaps here for me to enter off of at all. So this is the only gap. And price is kinda like very much so together right now. I'm not gonna lie. At first it wasn't. But when it comes to taking out this liquidity, it is. They like right beside each other. I think once that data low get hit, we can just probably rip up. ES literally just tapped it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah. Literally just tapped it. So it just makes some equal load. I'm knowing it's gonna get taken out. What the fuck? I never gonna like. I like the upside, I'm not gonna lie. This already got taken here, so it is SMT, but I think that get taken out as well. Yeah. It just didn't give me no entry today, bro. I like it. It just didn't give me no entry. If it would have gave me entry on ES, but like I said, I just don't take it on ES. Yeah, might just see what happens the rest of the day. Even then, today is NFP though. And for it to be going down, it must mean, like, I could assume at least that maybe the job report is pretty bad. I did see they saying like there's more unemployed people than open jobs, so I can see that being the case. Like, there's not a lot of job openings and there's a lot of unemployed people. I would have loved for it to reverse, but I still want to trade my strategy. I don't want to. I wanted it to reverse up here with SMT. I don't know if it is going to reverse. I don't want it to come all the way back up here, then do something. So it's not. It's like I'm kind of done for the week, to be honest. Unless I don't know, bro. I just have to see something real clear, but. And for the most part, I think if I do see anything, it's not going to be something that's just screaming to me. And I actually think this would be my entry, if anything, to go more to the downside. Like, I would have had to get in right now. Because that's a good size gap that I would like to see. And with it being so far from the orb, I'm good on that. I'm definitely straight on that. Excuse me. I think it could go down though. It could go down some more, but I don't see why not. You got gaps maybe right here. Low resistance. Got a random gap still down here. But it could be ready to reverse too off this liquidity being swept. So yeah, might just end the week off how I got it. Yeah, this probably would have been a good trade, but it's at liquidity and it's just so far from the orb. I just don't like it, bro. But it probably would have been a nice little setup. But if they would have gave me this up here somewhere, I would have taken it. But this could easily be manipulation. Well, I don't know, cause there's no S&Ts or nothing. So, oh my God, actually would have been a beautiful trade. Actually would have been beautiful, cause I mean, I guess I could have taken it, cause there ain't nothing. You know, there's no lows here. It's just this liquidity. It's just Asia, well not Asia low, but the data low. So, but this definitely, like I said, could be manipulation or something. Yeah. Yeah, I did think price wanted to go to equilibrium, so I was short on the day. 15-minute gap right here. It actually would have been a good trade. That's just I don't like it. I love those continuation days though, bro. But and they gave me one. It just gave me the entry so late. I think it's gonna fall some more, y'all. I really ain't got no FOMO on that trade because I know that's a good trade not to take, bro. I'm not finna bank on liquidity being swept for it to just keep going down. I'm not banking on that, bro. The only confluence of me taking that trade probably would have been that it, but even it took out the data low, so excuse me. I guess I could have thought about that it's going down because of NFP and maybe the job stuff came out bad, but that'd have been my only thing. I'm straight on it though. So yeah, I'm thinking I'm finna go and hop off, y'all. It's 10:30 now, 10:29. I think I'm just gonna call it a week. Call this a week for sure. I don't think I'm really looking for nothing no more. It's gonna be a boring one, y'all. Obviously, I still do want to trade, though. I want to find something, but it's just not probable. And that's when I create that's when I sabotage myself, though. When I start looking for trades that's just not there and it's not my model or stuff like that. I just wanted a good little day to end my week off good, but I'll take it, bro. Ooh, excuse me. This is ugly though, bro. I just wish it would have gave me an entry earlier, bro. If they would have did this up here. I guess I probably still would have taken it though. So I guess it's not true that I even would have did anything. But well, I don't know. Only thing that was stopping me from doing it was this gap. Oh, excuse me. Only thing that was stopping me was this gap. Once I seen it get broken or disrespected, I probably would have been a little more inclined to take it. Especially with liquidity sitting down here. So if it would have gave it to me like right there or something. Now we got 5-minute gaps though. Got 1 little 5 minute, 2 little 5 minute, 3 little 5 minute. Kind of a little 4th 5 minute right there. I can see it coming to test one of them and then coming back down. So if I do take a trade, it'll be a reversal, and I really just don't like trading reversals unless it's with the orb, like yesterday. So, but I think a reversal, because price will at least want to rebalance this to some extent. So, and then like it's about to get to doing that in a second. You're seeing more green candles appear now. I might have to just call it a week, bro. Man, bro, I wish 10 would have gave it to me. That gap right there. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. I'm just sitting here at this point, just looking. I don't want my video to be ugly or just boring. I've already been on here an hour and 9 minutes, just sitting and looking at the chart. So I think I'm gonna go and just start the recording here. Y'all have a blessed day. Have a good weekend. Stay prayed up, like we finally get some value to the upside. I'm still gonna get off though, but yeah, y'all just stay prayed up, man. And just keep on putting y'all trust in God. Whatever y'all going through, I know life can get hard. I know the world can get difficult to be here and you know, deal with all the stuff going on. Yeah, I just stay prayed up, man. Just keep y'all trusting God and things will work out. And yeah. So I see y'all on Monday. Man. I might do a video tomorrow. Find me something to react to or something. So I might be on here tomorrow or something. And or if not, I'll see y'all Monday. Yeah, y'all have a good one, man.